Good morning, kindergartners. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, May. Know what number it is for our date? It's the 15th. For the 15th, I need to write a 1 and a 5. That's how you make 15, 2020. Happy Friday. Today, you will learn a ton about butterflies. Head over to the Google Meet at 9:30 a.m. Mrs. Sharp will be there again. I hope all of our friends can make it. We'll do some fun activities together. Have a super duper weekend. Enjoy a few days without having to check in on Seesaw. Speaking of checking in, your attendance check-in for today, what I need to see that you got done is just tell me what butterfly activities you did today. There's going to be a chart of several activities you can choose to do. I want you to do a few of them, however much you have time for. Hopefully more than one. I bet most of you will do even more than two because a lot of them don't take that much time at all, and I think they're pretty cool. All right. The one activity that I want to do on our message today is to find and circle all the snap words that we can. So let's see, we have Friday. There's a snap word inside the word Friday, isn't there? Day, May 15th, 2020. Happy Friday. Nope, I don't see any there. Today, what's that? You. Y-O-U spells you. That's a snap word. Will. That is almost one, isn't it? We kind of know it really well. Learn a. Oh, there's a snap word. Ton about butterflies. Head over to. I'm going to circle that. That's a snap word. The is a snap word. Google. No, I don't think so. Meet. No, but at is. A-T, at. That's a snap word. Have. I don't know if have is even officially on our list, but we need to know it. It's everywhere. It's in a ton of books. A, again, super duper. No, I don't think those are snap words. Weekend. Attendance, check in. Oh, in. Yes. Tell me. There's one. Do I have to circle it very carefully? What? That is a tricky snap word. What? W-H-A-T. Butterfly activities, you, again, and did, I believe, is one, isn't it? I think so. Oh my goodness, how many did we find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 snap words, kindergartners. Awesome. All right, smart students, your jobs today are to go to the Google Meet at 9:30 with me if you can make it. It is optional, of course, because I know your parents might be having to work or maybe you have something going on today, but hopefully you can get over and meet me. I will post the link like usual, and then you just get on from clicking that on Seesaw. Your parents can hopefully help you with that. There will be the science choice board I told you about with butterflies that you can pick a few things to do from, or maybe you're going to do all of them. There should be a gym activity for Mr. Moostar, and then I have a little quote for you, a little saying. It says this: just when the caterpillar thought the world was ending, he turned into a butterfly. And I put this on here because you might be thinking like, oh my goodness, like our world has gotten kind of smaller, right? We're mostly just at home. We're not seeing as many of our friends. We have all this distance learning work to do, but just when we think it's getting really bad, maybe something awesome will happen out of it, right? Because a butterfly is a really cool thing. So going from a caterpillar, weaving itself into that chrysalis or cocoon, and then turning into a butterfly, that's a pretty fantastic thing. So I just wanted to put that hopeful message out there for you today. And then I have kind of a silly poem, but I think you'll like it. And this poem really focuses on our extra strength picture power that I mentioned in a reader's workshop lesson way back on Monday. Because there are some words like on and out that you are going to be able to use the picture for a little bit here, but then you'll really also have to rely on sounding out the word and also knowing your snap words. Okay? So here we go. Where is the caterpillar is the name of this poem. Where is caterpillar hiding today? We looked under the table. We looked on the, what's that picture? Chair. We looked, what would make sense with a window here? Out the window. But he was not there. Where is caterpillar hiding today? We looked in the fishbowl, looked in the sink. We looked in the flowers. What did we see? A beautiful butterfly looking at me. So it wasn't a caterpillar at all anymore, right? The caterpillar was not hiding. It had changed. It went through metamorphosis and it changed into a butterfly. Calendar time. All right, Smarties, let's get this done quick so we can head over to our Google Meet. We are writing the date today, and it's the 15th. So we're going to write a 1 and make that a little thicker there, and a 5. Down, around, and give it a hat. What pattern piece do we need after having had 2 butterflies? Butterfly, butterfly, flower is next. So we'll zip our flower right there. Zip, zop, zoop with our yesterday, today, tomorrow arrows. What is yesterday pointing to? This word right here. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday, or Fry-yay, as we know it in Mrs. Feldkamp's class. And tomorrow will be Saturday, one of our weekend days. Tally time. If you recall yesterday, I said we were going to have to do a cross line because here we have a group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 standing tall. Number 5 goes. Cross them all. Circle it so you can see it even better. So we're going to count these tallies by 5s. 5, 10, 15. Hey, kindergartners, what coin do we count by 5s? Do you remember? Nickel, right? Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. And there's a 15. There have been 15 days in our month of May. All right, kindergartners, for our dice rolling count, the subtraction equation number sentence that we are going to solve is 8 take away 6. So right now I want you to put up 8 fingers. Can you do that for me? And then you're going to put down 6 of those fingers. So 8 are up, and then you're going to put 6 of those 8 down. How many are you left with? Did you get 2? That is correct. 8 take away 6 equals 2. It's our very first 2 on our graph here. Tick, tock, match the clock. Yesterday we had 11:30. We'll get rid of that. And our new time today is going to be 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. So 1 o'clock could mean 1 o'clock in the morning, which is an hour after midnight. You should be sleeping then. 1 o'clock in the afternoon would mean at Brookview School that we were doing writer's workshop. Okay? So 1 o'clock in the afternoon is after lunchtime. So to do this on our analog clock, our hour hand, which is our shorthand, needs to be pointing to the number 1 for 1 o'clock. Do you remember where the long minute hand goes when our time ends with the words o'clock? Goes up to the top of the clock because it's going to be ready to wind around for another hour. There it goes. That's 1 o'clock. And then to write 1 o'clock, we're going to write the number 1. We're going to make our colon. And then It's 1 o'clock and no minutes have gone by. It's 1 o'clock on the dot. So we need to do 0, 0. And that's how you write 1 o'clock. Right, kindergartners, I'm actually going to end it right here today. So you can jump over to the Google Meet if you're watching this right away in the morning before we do that. Our Google Meet at 9:30. Be sure to check for the link on Seesaw so you can click it and get signed on, and I will hopefully see you over there. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.